Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to draw, doodle, however you want to call it, in just 90 seconds. In general, I like to draw on small sketchbooks. Is it just my impression that every single drawing looks better on a small piece of paper? I chose to draw this landscape image as I feel like using this drawing I can easily show you some of my tricks when it comes to drawing. Start by drawing lightly on your piece of paper, the landscape or object that you see in front of you, whatever it is. It doesn't have to be perfect, just some lines that suggest your image. I started to draw some tree branches. Again, they don't have to be perfect. Why? Because your brain likes to imagine things. Your mind will see whatever it wants to see as long as it is at least suggested in your sketch. For example, that shadow that looks towards the pond looks more like a black line, right? But still, because our mind likes to be creative, is going to see that as a person. Am I right? I know, that's pretty cool. Then I changed my pen to a 3B1 in order to add more shadows to my drawing. Basically all I did was to thicken the branches of the trees and suggest some greenery. Have a play with line weights, hatches, textures, especially at the top of your bush, for example. It is going to give the impression that it's more detailed than it actually is. For the reflection in the water, I've just hatched very lightly the shadows of the trees. Then I did the same thing in order to suggest the trees or the forest, whatever it is there in the background. Again, it doesn't have to be precise. My last tip, which I think is the most useful one and the one that's made all my drawings look better and have more depth, is to use a kneaded eraser. So basically using this eraser I added some light reflections in the water, I cleaned my hatch so it doesn't look so bold. So basically this eraser is a lifesaver. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips useful. These are the first tips that I've learned as well in my drawing course that I attended during high school, and I think are the only useful basic tips that I've learned. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to share it if you liked it and to subscribe for more videos. Bye!